So super excited to welcome you back to my channel, but also it's the morning, I'm hungry, woke up a little bit parched, not thirsty, never thirsty. And I have with me some delicious lemon water infused with mint. And for me, this is a great way to start your day, to wake up in the morning, because it helps aid your digestion. It's rich in vitamin C, and it really helps kind of wake up the body. As you know, it is the most important meal of the day. But today I'm making some plantains. I'm making some sauteed potatoes with a little bit of rosemary and some thyme from my garden. And then also I'm going to be making some nice scrambled eggs. Stay tuned for that, more to come. I don't drink coffee. I have a lot of natural energy.